In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in HubSpot, specifically tailored for beginners navigating HubSpot's email marketing tools. Whether you're looking to engage with your audience or simply connect on a more regular basis, setting up a newsletter can be a pivotal part of your strategy. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head on over to HubSpot. If you're still deciding whether to dive fully into their platform, you might find it helpful to explore their trial guide, which provides a good overview of what's available within HubSpot's Sales or Marketing Hub. This is particularly useful if you're just getting acquainted and want to see firsthand how the platform functions. Once you've navigated to the HubSpot interface, your next step is to focus on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll need to find and click on Marketing. This section will lead you into the core tools you'll use to create and manage your newsletters, so it's the main hub for all things marketing related on this platform. After you've accessed the marketing section, your journey continues by selecting Email. Clicking on this option will bring you to HubSpot's email toolset, built specifically to facilitate the creation of campaigns, newsletters, and much more. It's where the magic begins, and you start forming the connection with your audience. Now that we're in the email section, the importance of settings cannot be understated. Head over to the settings by selecting it from your options. What this does is grant you access to some fundamental configurations that will play a big role in how your newsletters are sent and received. Having these settings adjusted to your preferences is crucial in ensuring a smooth communication flow with your subscribers. One of the most important aspects of email marketing is understanding and managing your subscribers effectively. Therefore, you'll want to click on Subscription Types. This step is vital as it lets you categorize and organize how different audiences are subscribed to your information, whether it's newsletters, updates, or other types of content you're planning to send out. The final step in our process is to click on Create Subscription Type. Doing this will allow you to establish a new subscription category. This is especially helpful if you're aiming to target different user segments with varying content or frequency. It's a flexible way to ensure your communication is reaching the right people in the right way. Remember, creating a newsletter is all about maintaining a connection and providing value to your audience. By following these steps meticulously, you ensure your setup is not only efficient but also tailored to meet your subscribers' needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel empowered to launch your first newsletter with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.